Whispers in the night, we don't make a sound. City full of lights, but we burn it down. They said we never last, never be enough, but we built forever out of broken love. Whoa.
Yeah. New law, new law. Yeah, yeah. Cold nights running from a past we never chose. Street lights flicker like the secrets that we hold. They talk loud but they don't know what we fight. Every scar story, every wrong made right. We don't fit the rules, never play the same. Got the world on mute, only hear your name. If it all goes down, yeah, I'm by your side. Ride or die forever, yeah, you know the why.
Hearts like fire, we ignite. Dancing on the edge tonight. No regrets, no alibi. You and me until we die. It's you and me against the world tonight. No fear, no tears, we're born to fight. If the sky falls down, we'll still survive. Two lost souls, but we feel alive.
Hold me close when the lights go low. Even hell couldn't break our flow. If we fall as one. Our story ends when the war is done. Yeah. Sirens in the distance, but we never slow. Heartbeat racing like a loaded chrome. Trust nobody, but I trust your eyes. Only truth I see in a world of lies. We made dreams out of chaos and pain. Turned ashes into diamonds in the rain. If they coming for us, let them try their luck. We don't back down, yeah, we built too tough.
If the stars fade out, I'll still see you. In the dark, in the fire,